Welcome to MarineMax in Westbrook, Connecticut, where we just took in another new Boston Whaler 15 Montauk. This 15 Montauk has a light blue hull color, and it's got the standard rail package, as you can see. Up at the bow, which we'll get to, the split bow rail, which is a really nice feature. This boat is powered by the Mercury 60 horsepower, the upgraded option on this boat. As you move forward to the helm area, we've got the leaning post with fuel tank underneath and a reversible backrest, so you can flip this forward if you like to be standing while driving, or flip it back if you prefer the seated position. This boat also comes with the optional bimini top, which is open right now. We've got our analog gauge with digital readouts below, cup holders. On this side, we actually have some fishing tackle storage. This boat does have the fishing package. Fire extinguisher holder. And on the port side of the helm, we've got storage, battery access, additional storage for canvas, life jackets. Coming forward, more of the fishing package. We've got the igloo cooler with cushion and the backrest rod holder with cushion as well. Bow cushion underneath here. It's really nice. This folds in half, easy to store. We've got our anchor lockage and storage underneath. Cup holders up at the bow as well. And this is the split bow rail. Makes it really easy for anchoring. If you're going to the beach, you don't have to put it under the rail. You can throw right over. Or if you're docking bow too, it's easy to just step right onto the boat. This boat does come with the trailer, so it's a ready-to-go package here at MarineMax in Westbrook. Come down and take a look.